welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to set up AWS Cloud9 environment. If you want to learn about more about AWS Cloud9, you can see my previous video and see what are the use cases and what it is. There are two ways to install AWS Cloud9. You can do it on AWS console, or you can do it by AWS command line interface that we downloaded and installed. It was in my previous videos. You can check out how to install AWS command line interface. You will see in my previous video, and I'm going to attach getting started videos, and you need to watch them by order from the playlist. And now we are going to set up our AWS Cloud environment. We will do it on the management console, but as I said, you can do it on your AWS command line interface. To go to AWS command line interface, you just go to on your computer and type on the search, you type CMD, and it will appear in your computer. So now we are going to sign into the console. As a root user, you need to sign as root user and then start creating the AWS Cloud. I am just signed in here. Just going to write Cloud9 and go. This is easier way to do, but you can also do it by typing setting up here. You can go on the AWS command line interface and AWS Cloud9 create environment EC2, give the name, and you will have your environment. This is the way to create. I will leave the link. And now we are going to create from our AWS console. Name our environment, let's say trial environment. Description is trial. New. I'm going to ask to create new EC2 instance because I don't have one already. This is EC2 instance type will be T2 micro. It's the free tier because I'm not using now paid version, and you can choose from Amazon Linux 2 or Ubuntu server. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Cloud9 will have the timeout, but you can 30 minutes, but you can rearrange the time if you want from here. It will automatically log out if you don't have if you don't do anything. There are network settings, AWS system manager, or secure shell SSH. And there are VPC settings. I will leave as default. Tags are optional as well. And now we are going to just create the environment. Once the environment is created, we can sign in here, creating the environment. It just takes a little bit of time, and now it's created successfully. We are going to open the Cloud console now. 9. Yes, we are in. This is the coding line, and we can open more files, terminals from here. We can run configuration. We can open or upload files if you want to. And this is how we go into Cloud9. As I'm not going to use this environment for now, I'm just going to delete, and if I need to use it later, I can create again. That's all. That's easy. When you go on the AWS Cloud9 console and environments, you will see all your environments here. I hope you are enjoying AWS Cloud trainings. If you do, don't forget to click on thumbs up and follow my channel, and you can go on to playlist and start with getting started videos or more. I will see you in my next video. Bye.